All right, so I'm gonna do a quick side by side with the suppressors real quick to get a difference on the size. So this one right here is the T2 Turbo 2. We got the R9. Then we got the R45. Resonator K. Phantom 22. And the R2. So I'm gonna line these up real quick line them up from the end cap or the beginning. Each one got a different little mount. Like the T2 don't have his that's the quick disconnect mount right there. So the R2 is the biggest. At first I thought the R45 was the biggest, but the R2 is the biggest. So we haven't shot this one yet. The R9, we've done a lot of rounds through that. Everything from 17 HMR up to 308. And of course with the T2, only thing we've shot through there was 5.56, 223, 17 HMR, 22 long rifle, 5.7. That's about it. I'm not sure. You probably could do 224 through there, but I wouldn't. I don't know. I usually do 224 through the R9. 6mm arc, all of that stuff. 7.62 by 39. 350 Legend. 9mm. 17 HMR, 22. With the R45, we done 10mm. We've done 10mm, 6mm arc. I did that off camera. 6mm arc, 10mm, 45. You can do 9mm, 300 blackout. You can do 5.56, 7.62 by 39, 308. We haven't done those other calibers. The Resonator K, you can do 5.56. We did 5.56 with a shorter like 10.5. 5.56, 300 blackout. We haven't ran 7.62 by 39 through here, or 308, because we kind of just got this can like last month. And then this one you can do 22, 17 HMR, and 5.7. This is the only one that you can take apart and clean. Yeah, this is the only one. So only thing we missing right now is the Fat Cat. Should be any day now. And then the Bad Larry, and that'll be it from YHM. That'll definitely be it. Different mounts on it. All these mounts is interchangeable besides the 22 one. So you can swap all these mounts from 1/2 by 28 to 5/8 by 24. All of them is interchangeable. All the end caps, I believe, look the same. Probably not the 22. Yeah, that one did look different. So they all about the same. So I haven't cleaned none of these yet. The only one I tried to clean was the R9, and it was okay, but you really need some good cleaning solution for that. I was going to go with that Breakthrough suppressor cleaner. It's like in a green container, but it's been sold out like crazy. Ever since they did a little presentation at SHOT Show, I go to their website. It's hard to get. They got the little container. You soak it overnight in there and all of that. So a lot of people were saying you can use CLR and some other stuff you can get from Home Depot, but I wasn't too sure which one I wanted to try. With the manual says clean this one every like 1,000 rounds, 22, because Rimfire have a lot of 22 Magnum. We done that also. 22 Magnum and 22 long rifle, all of that stuff get pretty dirty. But the R9, you get the most build up back here in this area. The baffles didn't look too bad, but where the blast is, that's where you're seeing the most at. So they didn't really, in the manual, I don't know if it really say what you can use. But yeah, I'm gonna double check. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I had a book with me real quick, but I don't. But yeah, I want the breakthrough stuff, so there ain't no issues. Because when they brand new, you can see it'd be more so like a goldish color, like that one. This is, which one is this? T2. You can start seeing stuff in there, so that probably need to be cleaned. I mean, this ain't the worst, but that was the R45. That's still pretty new. But definitely with the Rimfire, you're gonna really have to clean that. So yeah, I just wanted to show a side by side on it, and we will be doing some new videos soon, because I'm ready to try this one out with subsonic. And then I got some subsonic 308, so I want to try that out. And I'm hoping the Fat Cat, I've seen a lot of good reviews on the Fat Cat. It's a shorter can, but it's a lot fatter in diameter, so I can't wait to get that one too. So yeah, we got some videos planned out with some subsonic and different barrel lengths, and just seeing how quiet certain ones is. But yeah, I think this one will be the one right here for 308 and all of that. So I got one more slot for the Fat Cat. Well, I think, because I don't know, I haven't seen one in person, but it should fit. And I got this case from Harbor Freight, and works pretty good. You just pull out those things. This was like $12 at Harbor Freight. I did the video the other day, so that's pretty cool. Now when they hot, that's a whole different story. But we working on something like that. We working on that real soon.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.